You're gonna walk. You're walking, good girl. Poor good girl. So Jack, have you ever seen so much snow? Look at how much snow there is. Jeez Louise. This is all from last night. Remember it was snowing yesterday? Thanks. Come on, let's go. Let's go for a walk. Uh-oh. Wipe off your hand. Do good wipers. Oh, good job. Come on, let's go. Check this. Is nuts. Look at this. Look. Little monkey tunnels. It's tunnels for little guys. What's wrong? Good job, nice and wiped. Wow. So what do you think, Jack? Do you like all the snow? It's fun, right? Oh yeah. He just wants to walk, good girl. Wow, cleaning off the roof up there, smart. Jeezo Louiso. So what do you think, Jack? You can't climb it. Why don't your parents make you wear gloves? What's the deal with that? Do you know why? Why aren't you wearing gloves? I understand you're preoccupied. It's nice without any cars on the street. Wow. Blizzard of 2013. What's up, players? Now you're gonna get your cars out. You coming with us? Come on, let's go. Are you taking good girl home? Good girl going home? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.